I will submit to you that in the last 10 or 15 years, one of the places where I see this most commonly actually is divorced dads.
Mm.
And the reason they feel behind is because they went through financial ruin and emotional destruction as a result of divorce, especially if there were kids there, because they've lost so much, you know,
Half their shit.
likely that,
Not to make jokes about divorce.
yeah, no, but, and half their time
Mm-hmm.
with their children, especially if you have an ex-partner who is running a campaign of parental alienation, which so many people do to men, right? And then call men deadbeat dads. But, you give up, half of your possessions, you give up pieces of your retirement or your 401k, your savings, your assets, whatever. And compared to your peers, how are you living? Now you're in a 1 or 2 bedroom apartment without a whole lot of furniture, without much in the kitchen. You're lacking basic competencies because you relied on your wife to do all these things as essentially your second mother, and you don't know how to cook, and you don't know how to do laundry, and you don't know how to arrange things socially, and because the only thing that you did was go to work and then come home and play video games or whatever. I mean, it could be something like that. But the point is, all of a sudden, you're very, very behind and feeling angry, frustrated, sad, alone, erased, forgotten, dismissed as a man, as a father, as a husband, as a person. And when you think about your what is your plan to get to retirement? You're behind, right? You're behind significantly now because of all of the horrendous and painful things that can happen as a result of a divorce, especially an ugly one. So, by the way, no real surprise then that the number one category of suicide completion is males 45 to 55. Because it's right then and there when those divorces with those kids are happening.